Hi everyone, this is Jody. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, and I'd love for you to take a look at my haul that I have. So this is hashtag Thrifty Thursday in collaboration with Sherry, and I have linked her channel below. There's a lot of others too, and Sherry has them listed on her channel. So let's get right to it and see what I've got today. So this isn't a very big haul, but I'm starting to slow down. Garage sales are starting to fiddle out, and you know, it's getting towards the holidays now, so I'll be doing less spending, so I don't know how many I will do, but I love this vintage packaging, so I don't want to cut the packaging up. So I stopped at a garage sale actually on the way home. I love the fall garage sales because people are really willing to get rid of stuff cheap. So I got these for $1. Matter of fact, I got this, and this all for $1 at this sale. So let's take a look here. This is some vintage, I believe they're button covers. So I didn't even know, but I just liked them anyways. I was gonna try to use them no matter what they were. So let's try to take this off. Oh, I see. Okay. So this snaps shut. Yes. So I believe these are button covers. So this little piece here slips over your button, and then you push it down, and then you have decorative buttons for your shirt or whatever. So I will definitely, oh yeah, look at that. They snap right on there. And these are kind of like a cold cast. So these are really cute. So I will definitely use these as decoration and whatnot. So look at that. There's, oh, so the glue got shifted on this one, so I'll have to peel it off and re-glue it back on. But it's really cute. Snowman and Santa. And then this one is a teddy bear. And then this one, I can get it off there. And this one shifted as well on there. This is a Christmas tree. And this is pretty neat packaging, so I will keep that for some ephemera. So that was really neat. I will use those. And then I was actually in a hurry, so I didn't really read what this is, but it's a 3M holiday border and card display. Self-stick front and back. Removable, won't damage the walls. So there's like a roll of it here. And oh, I see. Okay, so look, you can stick it on your like stair steps, your wall, doorway, and then it's like 3M, so it'll come back off. And then there's a sticky side where you just stick your card to it. How genius. That is neat. I wonder what the date of this was. Of course, they're made right here in St. Paul. 1996. So, interesting. She had 2 of them there. I should have probably picked up both of them. So anyways, regardless, it was neat. I could put them in a journal or, you know, collage with them and do whatever, or use it as is. So that was neat. And then there was this package of frosted treat bags. So let's take a look at these. There's 15 bags in there. Oh, and it's just what I thought. They are like a vellum, but a thinner vellum. Really neat. Oh, and it's got a gusset to it. So this would be fun to do some crafting with, for sure. And it comes with some stickers. So that was neat. Got those all for $1. This I got at Goodwill, and I saw the grapes on it, and it looked like a really neat napkin, and hopefully this napkin, the whole thing, yes, yay! So this napkin, the whole thing is printed, so I like that. Isn't that beautiful though? Just beautiful, vibrant purple in the grapes. So actually the date on them says 1996. So I got those. All right, and then I found this. Let me zoom down just a tad bit more. So I got this. I believe I got it at a garage sale or another thrift store, but it's brand new, hasn't been used, but it's got the vintage eyes and a calligraphy writing on it, and then the pen. I thought that was really neat, and I don't have this. And look at it, was $13. I did not pay that. So, My Dearest Heart is what it was called. So that's really neat. Love that. All right, then I was at the thrift store and got these. Now, I want to share these adult coloring. Well, they're not really, all of them are adult, but, you know, they are. Let me zoom down, or out just a tad bit more. So these are the ones that you can, you know, paint or color or crayon or marker, you know, these, but they have beautiful, neat black and white, you know, the designs for your coloring. So this is a Tropical World. This one is Color the Foams. So look at that, that's neat, and it has black on this side. So I really like that. And then this one looks like it was a Target book. The Inky Quest and Coloring Book, The Enchanted Forest. Now this one is all like a cream vanilla color. And look at the images and the printing. I just absolutely fell in love with this. Look at that. Wouldn't that be great in Easter journals? Oh, looks like somebody started coloring in them. Pencils. But they're just fantastic. Oh my gosh, I love these books. So I want to show you, you can definitely tuck them in a journal. So here is a Christmas one, and so this is what I did with this one. So see, on the back side it has Christmas presents, and then in this side it's ornaments, and then of course same thing on the flip side. Here's the other side, and then the ornaments. So isn't that cool to put into a journal? And then actually it's like interactive because it's in your journal. You can color it up and design it and whatnot. So, oh gosh, so why not put, you know, these in your junk journals? So don't pass those up. Those are fantastic. So I have those. Okay, then I ran into this fun, My Christmas Fun book. And I believe this was in the free box. And look at it, it's a fill-in-the-blank story. I hadn't seen one of these before, so I grabbed it. My Christmas presents, the best Christmas present I ever received was, and then you write it in there. And then look at, you have room to put pictures. So, oh my gosh, I wish I had found this before I started my glue book or December daily, whatever I want to call it, but my December book journal, because I would have put some of these pages in there, and they're stapled in, so the whole page could have went in there. But I just love the pictures. Look at that. I just love Christmas. So there's that. And then, so these were some just black stickers for like chalk, so you can label your jars and stuff. So I picked those up because those are fun. They're fun to write like Merry Christmas on it or whatever with your chalk pen. So I grabbed those. And then this was at Goodwill too for 99 cents. And they're just really cute to put. Sorry for the noise in my journal. Or a journal. So they're little mini bows. They're just really cute. They got a little silver, and then they're twist tied, but you can cut the twist tie off and then glue them into your book. So that was really neat. So I like those. And then this garage sale that I went to, this was in the book box, and it had 25 cents on it. And it looks like it had some water damage or heat damage, maybe. She says, oh, just take it because it had some water damage. So I'm like, okay. And it was the last day of the garage sale too. So this one is dated 1984. So the pages are kind of wrinkly because it was wet before. But I loved the pictures in here. Very vibrant and rich. So this was kind of a really neat book. Yeah. So that was Jolly Old Santa Claus. So it was pretty cool. So I picked that up. And then I went to another garage sale. It was a guy's garage sale. And I needed a small little hammer. Now this may look big in the picture, but like right here's my scissors, so it's not that big. It's kind of more of a hobby hammer, but you know, sometimes when you do your grommets or your, oh, let me grab it here real quick, sorry. Your you know, we are memory keepers punch or oh geez, the grommets, you know, for putting in the grommets. But sometimes when you squeeze them and put them in, you know, if it didn't go right, then you almost kind of need to hammer them or whatever. But I just thought I would grab this because sometimes I'm using like, you know, this to bang it down or whatever, and so I don't want to do that. So, but it can be used for anything. So, you know, any of your type of tags that you need to hammer down or anything like that. So I grabbed that. It was $2 at a man's garage sale. So I grabbed that. And then, so I ordered online, because I don't remember if I told you, but I thought I did in the last haul. There was this book. Oh gosh, and I can't remember her name. Janet? No, not Janet. What is her name? Susan Branch. Yes. Okay, so Susan Branch. I have this book that I had got at a thrift store, and while I was making a lot of the Christmas glue books and journals, I put these pages in, which are just phenomenal. So I liked her so much that I wanted to check out her other books. Well, I couldn't find them at sales and stuff, so I just ordered them online. Like, I think it was thriftbooks.com or abebooks.com. I can't remember now, but they were like $3.49, $3.99 for each book. And like I said, I usually don't buy books full price. I usually thrift them and, you know, get them good deals. But her I did want to look for, and I wanted them because I wanted to be able to, you know, cut these up and use them in my own glue book and get started on it. So, or my December daily. So, like, look at this one. Look at it. It says dinner for two. And it's got a little menu, and it's got lace doily there. So it's really neat. So these are three new books that I just got. It's a keepsake book. This one's called Love from the Heart of the Home. And this one is Christmas Joy, which is the one that I was just talking about that I totally cut up. And there's nothing left to it. And I loved it so much, that's why I wanted to get a replacement. I just love this. This is absolutely fabulous. So this is stuff that I'm going to cut up, but I will do a book review on all of these books before I start cutting them up here in the next few days. And then they also had on the website was Christmas from the Heart of the Home, and it's Love from the Heart of the Home is this one. This one's Christmas, and it's a huge book. This one's really large, bigger than a sheet of paper. So I grabbed that. It was the same price. It was like $3 something or $4. So this was really neat. Oh, look at that snow. Where did that go? Give cookies. Yeah, I just saw. I saw snowflake cookies or something. Over here, snowflakes. Interesting. So anyways, see why I like this book? So, oh, look. Oh, gosh. So I just love her layout and her design of her books, and it intrigued me to get a couple more that I didn't have, which is these two. So I wanted this one as a replacement. So those just came in the mail, and I grabbed those. So that is my haul. I don't have a whole lot. And like I said, my searching is going to be dwindling down. So, yeah. All right. So that is my Thrifty Thursday, and everyone have a great day, and hopefully you're enjoying my videos, and we will talk to you soon. All right. Bye-bye.